Hi, this is Mrs. Zhu and our first homework video for the year. You may subscribe to my YouTube channel, I Love Zhu Math. You can search for me. And in this homework tonight, we're on homework 3. This is in page 9 of your notebook that you're gluing in after you complete it. We're going to start with the first question. The first 3 questions, they want you to determine if y is proportional to x and explain why or why not. I also extended that question here to also include the equation. So if it is proportional, then you can get an equation. If it's not proportional, then an equation cannot be written. Let's look at problem 1. We can see that x and y have a relationship. X times 4, so 3 times 4 will give me 12. Let's see if that works for each one of them. 4 times 5, does it equal 20? 2 times 4, does that equal 8? 8 times 4, does that equal 32? Yes, it does. So because that is true, yes, y is proportional to x. Write a sentence for your answer. It will help you in your test that's coming up on Friday. And the reason why that it is for every x we multiply by 4 to get y. Okay, and this complete sentence, let's capitalize 4. Try number 2 and 3 by yourself. The proportional relationships have to multiply or divide. We cannot add or subtract numbers from x to y or y to x. Let's look at number 4. In this problem, now we're dealing with money, and this coffee is being sold by ounces, and we want to see if the coffee price is proportional to the amount of coffee. Now we notice that $2.10 for 6 ounces. If I simply took 2.10 and divided by 6, then what I'm going to get is 0.35, meaning 35 cents per ounce of coffee. Let's see if that's also true if they buy 8 ounces for $2.80. 8 ounces for $2.80 is also 35 cents. Let's see if that works for the last one, and I don't even have to divide it like I did the others, because if I notice, double of 8 ounces is 16 ounces and double of 280 is 560. So we can see that that's just doubling of each other, and that also can tell us if it's proportional. Since it's doubling like that, we can see that it's proportional, at least for that part of the price. We probably still needed to check the 6 ounces. All right, and so yes, the amount of coffee is proportional to the price. Okay, why or why not? And we said that for each ounce of coffee, it cost 35 cents. Okay? Great. So now answer this question. Predict the cost of a 20-ounce bag of coffee. I'll let you do that one. All right, let's look at number 5. We're looking at the cost. As you're watching this video, actually, it's preferred that you pause when needed, rewind when needed. Try not to look at the answers as I'm doing them as I do it. You know, take time to try it yourself before you see me do it. So here's number 5, but every video I make is going to be continuous. Okay, number 5. We're going to make a chart and a table. So I'm going to make the table over here on this page. We have 2 columns. We're going to say that the first column is the number of people and how much it's going to cost us in dollars. Now if I have 1 person, it's $9.50. And just do a couple, maybe 4 of them. Here we then have $19, then $28.50. For 4 people, $38. And if you have some different amounts, that's okay. Now we're going to explain if the cost is proportional. Because already in the problem, they're telling us that it costs $9.50 per person. There's no special rates. It's not like if you have a group of 15 or more, they're discounting you. So because it's just like a flat rate or a constant rate, okay, nothing is changing over the more the people are in the movies. It's just, that's the cost. So yes, it's proportional. It's proportional. Okay, and give an explanation. Because for every 1 person, their ticket cost $9.50. It's a constant value. Okay. That's how we would completely answer the question. I want you to try the rest of the worksheet by yourself, and hope you do well. Continue to watch, subscribe, and enjoy and have fun with math. Bye.